Hey guys, welcome back to Closet Raid. As you saw in the title, I'm going to be reviewing Blackpink and reacting to their style and reviewing what I think about their style. Okay, so if this is your first time clicking on my channel, my name is Jazmin Whitley and I'm a wardrobe stylist based in LA. Click this subscribe button if you want fashion and lifestyle content. If you're already a subscriber, hi and welcome back, and make sure to like if you like these review type videos. I'm definitely going to be doing one for the Met Gala. There's going to be reviews coming up, but let me know if you like them. And if you do, who do you want me to review next? So I decided to do a review on Blackpink because I've been hearing so much about them for so long, like so much about them. And yeah, everyone seems to be like obsessed with them, and I've never heard any of their music, never looked at their Instagram, never clicked on anything. So I'm glad I'm making this video because it's gonna be super genuine, like my honest thoughts. Yeah, let's get into it. I've screenshot it. So the first thing I did was I watched their music videos and I instantly like understood what everyone was obsessed about. I saw like choreographed dancing, lights, beauty campaign shots. It literally looked like it was like a Korean skincare campaign. Like, they're so cute. There was like hair blowing in the wind, there was outfits, there was accessories. It was like a lot, and it was all great, and it was fun, and it was catchy. And then there's these English words thrown in like to the mix, and like Korean words that I don't understand, but it was good. It was very good. So the first thing I did was just Google Blackpink, and the first thing that comes up is an article from Variety. K-pop sensation Blackpink sets new YouTube records. Okay, major. MTV News, Blackpink had star-studded Coachella weekend. Hollywood Life, Harry Styles resurfaces at Blackpink's LA concert and fans are freaking out. Variety again, Blackpink wins over Coachella with first full US concert, which is what I heard so much about. Obviously, they're in the headlines. So, okay, first reaction to even just their name, Blackpink. I don't know how they got their name. I'm not like, this is like, I'm new, okay? So whenever someone would say Blackpink, like, 95% of the time, I do not like the colors black and pink together. Like, usually I feel like it's such an ugly, tacky color combination. So every time I heard Blackpink, I just thought like, ew, I don't even like those colors together. But anyway, I Googled Blackpink and I came across some great looks and some not so great looks. So, okay, being a girl group, I think it's hard to look cohesive. You can easily look sloppy, messy, uncoordinated, frumpy, because there's a lot of you. There's a lot of girls. There's a lot of hair colors. There's a lot of body types. There's a lot going on. So I think it could easily get messy. But I do love when the girls have coordinated their pieces. For example, the Coachella look, I loved that they did like black, white, and just rhinestones and sparkles, and it was so fun, like black, white, and diamonds, like very classy, very cool. I loved it. I think that they all coordinated well. I don't know their names, but just from left to right, the white detailed, the shoulders, gorgeous. This little black dress or little romper, whatever it is, with the belt shouldn't have had a navy blue bandeau. I think it should have just been a black lace one. Love that two-piece set, girl. Love the bangs. I love that look. Love the chokers. Look so cute. Like, I love that. And then lastly, this little set, so cute with all the embellishment. It's good. Here they're all wearing Guess crop tops. I love Guess, like classic, iconic, original Guess, like Guess girls. So good in the fact that they're just like these little like hot Korean pop stars, like in like all American. Love it. Love it. Love the denim with it. Okay, what else do we have? This is a red carpet event and they're all wearing cocktail dresses, and I love that they're not really matchy. It's all, if you notice, the same length, which is very like, it just looks appealing and aesthetic and just like pleasing to the eye that all their dresses are short dresses. There's not like a lot of like different like lengths going on, which makes it look clean. And I love that they do belts often. I think that they do them well. I love all of these dresses individually. And to be honest, like I would think as a stylist that the star one might take away from like the rest of the looks. But actually, in my opinion, I feel like it doesn't. It looks great. Yeah, they're like coordinating, but they're showing their individual styles. I love it. Here, they're all wearing like prints, and this is where it gets freaking messy, and I don't like it, okay? I don't like this. I don't like the different prints and the bows and the ruffles, and it's too much for like a girl group of like girls standing next to each other. I don't like this. Okay. Individually, yeah, sure. For shopping day, lunch day, hangout, yeah, wear a cute floral dress. I love these individually, but as a girl group, I feel like they should just be on when they're doing press. Like, clearly they're at like a red carpet event. I just don't like that look at all. That's so far the worst. Okay, moving on to the best is like color coordinated pop stars are everything. They're so good. When they have like matching like choreography down, their looks are like this all pink look. Are you kidding me? It's so cute. Like I feel like it's just fun, and if I was like a teenager, I would just be like, I'd have like posters of them. They'd be like inspo. They're so cute. The monochrome pink is so great. I love the monochrome pink. I think that they're all wearing like very different pieces, like a one shoulder little pretty dress, and then here we have like a set with midriff showing, and then we have a blazer and like I don't know, it's just like it's so cute. I love it. See, this is an example of when it gets a bit messy. Fishnets, oof. I think this looks really cheap. I think it looks like Fashion Nova meets like Forever 21 discount section. Like it doesn't look great. I don't love all the different patterns and colors. It's just like really messy, and this is what I was saying about girl groups being like not cohesive and clean. I feel like it has to be sharp, it has to be edited, it has to be like tailored. I don't like that look. This look has me dead. I don't know if this is from their music video, but they had like a Laura Croft, like very futuristic superhero-esque kind of vibe in one of their music videos. And this is so sick. The braid, the bangs, the colored hair. Like this is so cool. I love this so much. I love all of these looks like individually and together. Like I think together it looks like very badass in like the coolest way. And then this over here is a miss. Like I feel like it's every other thing that I'm like not loving, obsessed with. Not loving, obsessed with.
Damn, I was gonna say that.
Like, what? I don't get this. I don't know what they were going for. It's messy.
What?
It's messy.
What? Come on. You gotta be kidding.
Okay. This all white moment is stunning. Like stunning. They look angelic. They look sweet. They look so pretty. They look so happy. I'm like in love with this. I don't know if this is like at their record label or celebrating something. They just look like really cool. Like I want to be part of BLACKPINK. Like this is so cool. I love it. This is an instance where they're all wearing different things, but I like it because it's kind of simple. Like the little cherry dress is so cute and it matches the little checkered dress, and then like I think that it all has like a sweet vibe to it, and it just works. It just works well. The prints are very small. The floral print, the cherry print, and then the other pinstripe, like they're very tiny little detailed dresses, and it just doesn't clash. It's not messy, it's not crazy, it's girly and cute, but it looks concise. Okay, again, another black and white moment. I love this. It's like similar to the Coachella vibe. It's like dressy and it's so pretty. I love it. I think that it looks very Chanel. It looks like very just like classic, and like the red lip. It's just so fun. Like this is so, I feel like being in a girl group would be so much fun. Like your best friends, like touring, traveling the world, doing photo shoots and music and choreography. Like what? Okay. I love this nautical blue and white moment. It's so good. Are you kidding me? I love that. I love the stripes. I love the big buttons. I like the lace up. Again, it looks like a little costumey, but it's a like coordinated girl group thing. Like, what do you expect? It doesn't look like high fashion, but I think it's really fun. This is just creepy. They remind me of like dolls, like those old dolls from back in the day that like your grandma would have, or someone, like it would just be in a room. I don't know, it's just creepy. This, okay, so now it's them individually. I just got these off their Instagram, by the way. So this is just like a lime green with like a thin belt that I'm loving, a lime green look, high collar. We have like, it's just like it looks very Korean, like so cool. Love her hair, love the bangs. I love this look so much. Like it's like sporty but classic and classy. Like the numbers, the patches and the lines, the stripes make it sporty, but then the silhouette is like, you know, I'm just a classic little posh girl. So this look I'm not in love with. It's again kind of messy. I don't like too many accessories. The pearls, the like belts don't work. It looks a little tacky. I don't love that one. I'm obsessed with this picture of the one girl that has like the red hair and she's squatting down next to these shoes. It's such a cute Instagram photo. It's such a cute picture. I just overall love them. Like I really love them, and I feel like, I don't know, I think that I can't wait to see more of them, listen to more of their music, kind of get on the BLACKPINK train. I think that their style evolution is going to be really great. I would love to style them for something like really editorial or like a performance or something where they're like, you know, VMAs or something. Okay, I loved doing this. I thought it was so fun reacting to something that I had never looked into, never seen before, just reviewing their style and giving my personal opinions. Again, this is a little disclaimer at the end, like people get so offended and I'm not trying to offend anyone. These are just my fashion opinions, and fashion is fun and self-expression, and if they love the outfits that I hate, then like awesome, like that's their choice. Like if you hate this purple sweater that I'm wearing, which by the way I posted this on Instagram, has little cutouts and a lot of you said you guys liked it. It's by Pinko, but if some people hate it, like you hate it. It's not like, we keep moving. It's not that big of a deal. It's fashion. Okay, so anyway, on that note, thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you liked it. Comment down below, give me your opinion on BLACKPINK. Let's talk about this. I'll be posting a lot more frequently, so check back Mondays and Thursdays. And thank you guys so much for all your support. I'll be doing like my workout progress updates. I'll be doing polls, fittings, just everything. And obviously closet raids, I have to plan some of those. And thank you so much for following my fashion journey. I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.